Welcome to a video from thedislifestyle.com. Two builds for the price of one again this week. We had two builds for Windows Insiders. We had 25357 for the Canary Channel and 23451 for the Dev Channel. So let's look at the Canary Channel first, because there's not a huge amount of changes there actually. There's a new Facebook widget, so let's see if we can find that. So here you can see it says I've got a new Facebook widget. I've just installed the Facebook app, so I can add that now. So I can add that. So there, I've got my Facebook widget in there. The other thing that's changed is the sound. You've got the separate sound mixer on here. This virtual machine hasn't got it, but you've got the different apps have their own volume levels on there. That was something that was on the Dev Channel build. So that's the new or the updated volume mixer. It's been around for some time on the other channels. So that was everything on Canary. Now we're back on the Dev Channel 23451. A few more bits and pieces on this build. Let's see whether Microsoft have rolled all these features out to the devices. Sometimes they don't. So let's go and have a look at some a document. So this new view. This is, I'm afraid, I'm still got the legacy version of it by the looks of it. So this is what, when you get the properties, use the Alt-Shift-P. This is what I get now, and on the screenshot here I'll show you of what it should look like. Unfortunately it hasn't rolled out to all builds yet, so we'll see. Hopefully that'll go in the next few weeks. We'll get to see that feature because Microsoft like to A/B test things. This build also has got the Facebook widget, so I've installed the Facebook app, and it shows that I've got the Facebook widget, so I can add that. So another change Microsoft have been experimenting while is notifications here. So I haven't got any to show, but you'll get account related notifications on here if anything pops up, like you can add a phone number for your recovery account, that kind of thing. So if anything important pops up, that'll go on there. Another change they're doing actually that hasn't shown anything up on here is they're adding recent websites to there as well. So if you've been if you frequently browse websites and that kind of thing, can go on this recommended list or recommended section. So I have got a new feature that was introduced. Well, this is the gallery view, which was introduced a few builds ago. This is a bit like going through your Photos app, but you can view your photos in a gallery directly here in the File Explorer. And also, if you go to, say, Open in an app like that, like Paint, and you can go to Gallery, and then you can pick the picture. So this is extracted from your OneDrive and from the Photos app, but that's a nice new feature that was introduced a few builds ago. But I didn't have that, but I'm pleased to say I've got it now. And if you've got that, you notice there's a change in the icon from the original release, but that's the new icon on there. I think the Photos app is, or the gallery view in there, is a good idea. There's fixes in the builds for Explorer crashing and quick settings not working. They fixed some issues with the start menu. Recommended was crashed as well, and they fixed some issues with search. There is still some known issues, so the new ones that are worth looking at are when you open the search flyout, you may see content flicker before the content finishes loading. I haven't seen that, but that's where you would see it. Narrator may be an issue with navigating down, and text scaling may not work on the search flyout. There are some known issues for File Explorer, but they've been around for a while, like the gallery may require clicking twice to initially load. I didn't see that issue, but the new ones I mentioned there. So those are the changes with the builds. We've got 25357 for Canary devices, and we've got 23451 for the Dev Channel. Thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on thedislifestyle.com, on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to check out our podcast as well. You find that on our YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next one.